sobrevivência estão localizados ao longo da aeronave. E em caso de pouso na água, use o assento da poltrona para flutuar. Desejamos a todos uma ótima viagem. We are preparing for takeoff. Please make sure your seat back and tray tables are in their full upright position. Pay close attention to the lights to fasten your seatbelts. You can only open the overhead bins when this warning light is off. Smoking is not allowed aboard, and tampering with or disabling the smoke detectors in the lavatories is prohibited by law. Please read the card with the safety instructions located in the pocket in front of you. In an emergency landing, stay in one of the positions indicated on this card. In an emergency evacuation, leave all carry-on luggage in the aircraft. We wish you all a great flight.
Venga